Your Redragon mouse suddenly stops moving, clicks stop responding, or the RGB lights turn off completely after plugging it into the computer. Sometimes the cursor freezes randomly, while other times the PC doesn't detect the mouse at all. This issue is usually caused by USB connection problems, driver conflicts, power saving settings, or temporary software glitches instead of a completely unworking mouse. In many situations, the mouse starts working again once the connection and drivers are refreshed properly. Before replacing the mouse or assuming the hardware has failed, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal operation. 1. Disconnect the Redragon mouse from the computer completely. 2. Plug the mouse into another USB port directly on the PC. 3. Restart the computer to refresh device detection services. 4. Check if the mouse lights turn on after reconnecting it again. Number 5. Update or reinstall the mouse drivers from Device Manager if needed. 6. Disable USB power saving settings that may shut the mouse off automatically. 7. Test cursor movement and mouse clicks after reconnecting the device fully.